Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2020 Ray 21 SPX Outboard. The outside hull color is the new Quantum Blue. This boat's powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke engine. We've added the gray sea deck on the swim platform and the walkthrough. This does have the ski tow bar. Here on the back, you do have the backrest for your transom seat. Coming in, you've got storage compartment here. Underneath the seat, you've got a built-in cooler. Also, a beach cooler right behind the helm chair. We've upgraded all of the handles and latches along with cup holders to stainless steel. Bimini top with boot. The boat does come with a full cover as well. This is the new stone interior for 2020. Over here on the port, you've got a seat behind the chair there. These chairs are flip up, thigh rise, lockable glove box. Over here, you're going to have tilt wheel steering, fusion stereo. We've got a Simrad GPS built into the dash. This boat is rated for up to 12 people. Here in the bow, you'll see wraparound seating with stereo speakers and cup holders. Those also have the blue LED lighting in them, just like the boat in the cockpit. That concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Ray 21 SPX. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.